each of us has a choice of two kinds of building materials. You can build with combustible materials and you can build with commendable materials. Now, combustible materials are wood, according to, I love this version. Very, very simple. Very simple. Very simple. It said, if what you are building on it is wood, grass, or leaves, you know it is combustible. All of those are combustible. But when it is gold, silver, precious stones, then those are enduring. So, those are commendable materials. Please, do you understand that? Now, when we talk about building with wood, grass, or leaves, how do we mean? God gives assignment, but we can, by ourselves, we have the choice of material we use to build it. It depends on our motives. Our motives determines the kind of materials we use. If you are doing ministry to make fame, you will use combustible materials. If you are doing ministry to make fortune, you will of necessity build with combustible materials. But if you are doing ministry only for the glory of God, and listen to me, the glory of God, God is only glorified when souls are genuinely saved and souls are edified and equipped for his service. Am I communicating to you? Oh, we can heal the sick, we can raise the dead, and God is not be glorified, and God will not be glorified. Because there are several men, even in Jesus' days, even in the days of apostles, who were healed, were delivered. In fact, majority of them were the one who stood that day, on the day when he appeared before Pilate and said, crucified him. Hello? You don't need to be confused. If you are a kind-hearted person and you are the type that do good to people, many people that cause grievous hurt to your spirit are the people that you've been kind-hearted to. Am I communicating to you? They forget. If we give the whole Nigerian food and you buy them dress, you help them. But does that lead to the salvation of their souls? So, if we are going to do ministry, we are going to work for God, and we are going to be rewarded, one thing that we must always be pursuing is the glory of God. The glory of God. The glory of God. God is glorified when souls are saved. About me to tell you this. God is glorified when you preached the message that God wants you to preach, and people resisted to repent, and you did not mix the message. That was why when Jesus, after he has preached to the Chorazin, the Bethsaida people, and he has labored among them and did not repent, he was first of all angry. He was angry. Jesus was angry. Jesus was angry. So when you see somebody ministering and laboring and doesn't have reason, he can get angry and say, but if you don't understand the pain of such labor, you say, who is it? Who is it that is getting angry at people? Can he save them? And while Jesus was hungry, then he saw the Father. But the Father told him, I am at work. I deliberately did it. And he gave God glory for it. Am I communicating to you? So God is not only glorified when souls are saved, he is also glorified when the people hear the truth and they reacted and they refused to hear. He's glorified. And God is glorified when souls, the saved, are edified. When those who are edified are equipped. Because when you only labor for souls to be saved, and you do not roast them to be edified and be equipped, then there will not be continuity of the kingdom on earth. Am I communicating to you?